Berkelman's Welding would like to introduce the heavy-duty 20-ton farm construction dump trailer. Key features include swivel clevis or pintle ring removable hitch, 10-inch by 4-inch by .250 tube mainframe and tongue, 12,000-pound drop leg trailer jack, hydraulic brakes on one axle, built-in grain chute, LED tail lights. Trailer weighs 9,100 pounds. Unibody construction on long sills welded to the floor. .88 inches to the top of the box from the ground. Pockets and sides for extensions. All seams and posts are 100% welded. 20% of the load is on the trailer hitch when you have an even load. 3/16 plate steel tailgate on hydraulic arms that extends 3.5 feet above side walls when in the open position. .360 cubic foot box, 19 foot 6 inches to the top of the box in dump position, 60 degrees dump angle, chemical washed, metal treatment and primer, painted cat yellow. Berkelman's Welding, manufacturing trailers for over 25 years.